Have you ever noticed that there's more than one kind of sign on the streets of Dublin? Most people haven't, but Trinity College in Dublin is calling out to people to keep an eye out for these old green and white signs, and here's the reason why.
So the green and white street signs that you see in Dublin contain the Irish language in the Clo Gaelic, which is the Irish type font. That font is historically incredibly significant because it mimics how we used to write Irish since the 6th century. It's also politically very important because these signs originally went up as a form of silent rebellion under British rule. With the Closegate project, we're trying to create a survey of all the still existing signs in Dublin and work our way backwards with historic photograph to create a timeline of when these signs were rolled out.
Dublin City Council say the green and white signs are replaced as required, such as when they're damaged, and while they're not protected structures, they say they would support their retention in architectural conservation areas. However, there's no policy for keeping them in other places.
We currently have about 600 of these signs and are hoping to collect more. So if you have any photographs, past or present, we would be delighted to see a copy of them.